My name is Robert Salazar, and I'm a year-round intern. I work with Adrian Stoika, who's my group supervisor. In the summer of 2015, I joined the Starshade project. It's quite an origami challenge. Needed to fit many of these constraints, and to do so reliably. You can see. It's special in that the perimeter is actually inflatable. And the idea is that if one inflates the perimeter, you'll be able to deploy the entire origami. I took it upon myself to write an algorithm, a series of equations that will design a crease pattern based on the height of the folded form, the outer diameter, the inner diameter, the thickness of the material, the type of strain that it would experience during folding. And once the algorithm was written, I could automatically generate any of these crease patterns. I'm designing an origami crease patterns and prototypes for the large deployable solar reflectors for the Transformers project. The Transformers project in ellipse is really the better shape, because if light hits it at a 45-degree angle, the light that gets reflected would be circular, which would be then illuminating another elliptical reflector. This is closer to the type of material that it would be. And full scale, it's supposed to be the height of the Statue of Liberty and fit within 1 cubic meter. Origami is an ancient Japanese art of paper folding, where the origami is folded from a single uncut sheet of paper. I've been folding for 17 years, and I've been designing my own for 8 years. The complexity of the animals, for example, is much more than you would see for most origami deployable structures. The difference being that for the deployables, they need high precision and they need to fit specific requirements. Whereas for these ones, the legs are slightly longer or slightly different. It's still the spider, But one could design each of these animals with the same precision that you would need for the deployable structures. And oftentimes in a single animal, the diversity of folds, the diversity of challenges in getting the design it's like many deployable structure challenges all in one piece.